Hi everyone, welcome back to channel. Today we're covering how to create a spending plan that works. Let's break it down into 2 simple steps. First, assess your current spending. Track all your expenses for a month using an app, a spreadsheet, or a notebook. Categorize these expenses into groups like housing, groceries, and entertainment to see where your money is going. Review these categories to find where you might be overspending and identify areas for improvement. Next, create your spending plan. Set clear financial goals, such as saving for a vacation or building an emergency fund. Allocate your budget by assigning specific amounts to each expense category, prioritizing essentials and savings. Follow your budget and monitor it regularly. If you're overspending in some areas, adjust your budget as needed. Remember, your plan should be flexible to accommodate changes. And that's it. Creating a spending plan can help you manage your finances effectively. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more money tips. Drop any questions or tips in the comments below. Thanks for watching.